is likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Northwestern Belmont County and East Central Ohio, South Central Carroll County and East Central Ohio, Harrison County and East Central Ohio, Jefferson, Ohio County and East Central Ohio, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cadiz, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Dang it.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitman, Steubenville, Cadiz, Wellsburg, Freeport, Toronto, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Fallensby, Hooverson Heights, Chiltonsville, New Cumberland, Hopeedale, Flushing, Smithfield, Theo, Adana, Franklin, Jewett, and DeLongvale. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll, Ohio. This is